Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix could not create Apple ID. So guys, if you want to create any Apple ID on your iPhone and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to open your settings, and guys, after this, you need to check that you have connected with Wi-Fi or not. So guys, if not connected, then you need to connect it, and guys, if not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data, and guys, after this, simply you need to click on Apple ID. So guys, if already login, then guys, simply you need to sign out your Apple ID from here, and guys, after this, you need to create your Apple ID. So guys, if still not create your Apple ID, then guys, you need to go back and guys, open your app store here, and guys, after this, simply you need to click on this one, main profile. So guys, wait for a few seconds. Here is the option of main profile. So guys, from here you need to create your Apple ID from here, and guys, you will be able to create Apple ID. So guys, if still not create Apple ID, then guys, you need to open any internet browser, and guys, here you need to search Apple ID creation. So guys, after doing this, simply you need to wait for a few seconds, and guys, after searching, you need to scroll it down, and guys, here you need to find Apple ID. So guys, if still not find, then guys, here you need to search create Apple ID, and guys, after this, simply you need to click on this one, and guys, after this, you need to wait, and guys, you will find here the option of create Apple ID in your iPhone. So guys, simply you need to click on that option. As you can see, simply you need to scroll down, and guys, after this, you need to wait for a few seconds, as you can see here. So guys, simply you need to click on appleid.apple.com, and guys, after opening this website, then guys, you need to create your Apple ID here. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.